Hey everyone, in 2026, containers remain the most important tool in Card for creating professional, responsive layouts. By using columns, you can move away from a single stack of elements and create side-by-side sections for features, pricing, or team bios. Step 1. Add a container. We are starting with the layout base. We do this because columns cannot exist on their own. They must live inside a container element to stay organized. Click the plus icon in the top menu and select Container. In the Container Settings sidebar, ensure the type is set to Columns. By default, Card will give you two equal-sized columns to start with. Step 2. Add or remove columns. Now we are defining the structure. We do this to match the number of elements, like icons or text blocks, you want to showcase side by side. In the Container sidebar, click the Columns tab. Click plus Add to create more columns, up to a maximum of 12. If you have too many, click the trash icon next to an individual column to remove it. Step 3. Resize and style columns. We are finishing with the visual balance. This is the step where you stop the layout from looking default and start making it custom. Width adjustment. Under the Columns tab, you'll see a width slider for each individual column. Drag these to create asymmetrical layouts, like a 25% sidebar next to a 75% main content area. Use the alignment settings to determine if content stays at the top, middle, or bottom of the column. Adjust the gutter slider to change the white space between your columns. In 2026 design trends, larger gutters are preferred for a clean, airy look. Step 4. The mobile check. This is the most important part. Click the mobile icon at the top to preview. By default, Card will stack columns vertically on phones. If you want them to stay side by side, even on small screens, go to the Mobile tab in your container settings and change the stacking to horizontal, though vertical is usually better for readability. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.